Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about the question answer of the chapter Go Girl Go of class 6. Okay, so this is the question answer of class 6 and chapter name is Go Girls Go. So listen carefully and watch out the complete video, and I will tell you about the question and answer of the chapter. And in the previous video I have to explain the chapter and then also solve the book exercise and send the PDF in your WhatsApp. So it is the second part of the chapter chapter of the exercise. So listen carefully. So first we talking about that it is the exercise number B. What qualities do the sportswoman mention in the reports here? You have to see in this question on your in your textbook, and here is the answer. First know about the question. Here the ask the question, what qualities do the sportswoman mention in the reports share? Okay, so what is the quality of the sportswoman? So answer is here. The qualities the sportswoman in the reports share are determination, willpower, dedication, perseverance, grit, and so on. Okay, it means if you have a you are a sportsman or woman, then you have a some of the specific qualities, and without specific quality you have not clarified of the any field like sportsman study and etc. or the many places. But if you have a special quality, then you have got also a chance to show up yourself in presence of the your family, your nations, and all over the world. Okay, so here is the some of the reports that is the show in the reports reports. So determination is quality, willpower is the second quality, dedication is the qualities, perseverance is a quality, grit is the quality, and so on many of the qualities that has a that has the sportsman or woman had very important necessary. So second is what physical quality do you think a heptathlete needs the most? So you know that there are heptathlon. What do you mean by the heptathlon? When I told you, explain the chapter, then I told you that heptathlon is the track and the field event. It is a combined event contest made up of 7 events. Okay, it is the uh, combined of 7 events, and the name comes from the hepta for 7 and the athlum for feast. Okay, uh, feast it means action. A competitor in the event is called a heptathlon. So you can see here, physical qualities do you think a heptathlon need the most? So it is the very important for the physical quality of the heptathlon. A heptathlon needs mobility, speed, stamina, mental strength, and endurance. Since the training she or he undergoes need to get her or him ready for 7 different sports events. Okay, there are 7 events in the sports, like a high jump, javelin throw, shot put, long jump, 100-meter run, 200-meter run, and 800-meter run. And when you participate in the heptathlon, then all the qualities, that is the mobility, speed, stamina, mental state, endurance, etc., are the very important for a heptathlete. And his she or he has need for the extra special training, undergoes need to get her uh, ready for 7 different sports event. Okay, so I hope you all understand. Next is her next target is to do well in 2020 Olympics. So here is the statement, and in the statement the uh, newspaper. It means Kolkata newspaper also says that her next target is to do well in the 2000 Olympics. Then question will be, whose target is to do well in 2020 Olympics, and which event did she take part in, and what is the special about the event. So you know that know about the Swapna Varman, and Swapna Varman target is to do well in the 2020 Olympics. Okay, it is the aim of Swapnan Varman, and what is the aim? To do well in 2020 Olympics, and she took part in heptathlon. Okay, she also participated in heptathlon that held its 7 event, and it is a combined event contest. You can see here is the sum of the error in the word. You can see here not C, it will be E. Okay, EVENT, event. Okay, it will be event, not event. Okay, so you have to improve it. Event contest, and the 7 event are high jump, javelin throw, shot put, long jump, 100 meter, 200 meter, and 800 meter run. I hope you all understand. And I also mentioned the 7 event in the heptathlon. Okay, so and now we are talking about the exercise number D and exercise number C, that is the mention on page number 31, and it is your homework to solve this exercise. Exercise number C, what is in exercise number C. So complete this table about the 3 sports women, and you also read when I explain the chapter. Then I also tell you more thing about the Hima Das, Swapnam Burman, and Vishesh Fogart. So you have to complete the column by take the help of the book, and you have to write about what they know, what she know, what she have learned, and what I would like to know. Okay, it is the important part of the column. So first you read out the complete chapter, and then write about the Himadas, Swapnan Burman, and Vishesh Phogat, and what are you doing in the column. First you write down here what I knew, like Himadas is a sprinter, and Swapnan Burman is a heptathlon, and Vishesh Fogart is a wrestler, and such as what I have learnt. So you know about that determination, mobility, etc. are the many qualities we can learn from the Hima Das and Swapna Bhavan and Vishesh Fogart. So you have to write hard working is also learn from the Vishesh Fogart. So you have to write down complete. The exercise number C. Now we are talking about the exercise number D. Okay, in the exercise number D, you can see here, write the answer of the question, write the answer of the following question. So first question is, why did Hima Das shift 400 meter event? This is the question of the exercise number D, and we are talking about the chapter Google Go. It is the chapter name, so don't will be confused. And the question is, why did Hima Das shift to 400 meter event? So answer will be, Hima Das coach first spotted her in an inter-district event. Okay, inter-district event 2016. Okay, and then he noticed that the started slow and peaked toward the end, and this made her perfect for the 400 meter event. So she shifted to 400 meter event. Clear? So listen here. First, here is the question is, why did Hima Das shifted in 400 meter event? In the beginning she participate in 200 meter, 100 meter and 200 meter run. Okay, but when her coach noticed that in the 2016 inter district event, he noticed that Hima Das start slow. First, he would start slow and peak toward the end, which made her perfect for the 400 meter. Okay, and then he decided to participate in the 400-meter event, and so she, it means her coach, shifted Hima Das into the 400-meter events. Okay, so it is the reason for to shift it in 400-meter events. Now next question is, two are two of the three reports tell you about the difficulties the athletes had to face, so you when they took part in their event. What were these difficulties here? So first, you know about the three sportswomen like Hima Das, Swapnam Burman, and Vishesh Fogart, and every woman got the difficulties in the Olympic game and Commonwealth game. So first we talking about the Swapna Varman. Swapna Varman has a extra toy on each foot but did not have shoes to suit her feet. Okay, it is the first reason. And so she also suffered from a terrible toothache on the day of the final, and with courage and determination she won the gold medal at the Asian Games. Okay, it is the main quality of the Swapna Burman when she participates in heptathlon, and she has extra toy in her both legs. Okay, and he has no customized shoes. Okay, she has no any customized shoes to suit her feet, and she also had a terrible toothache. Okay, he had a terrible toothache on the day of the final event, and but he never obey the difficulties, and faced the difficulties and showing her courage and determination, and she won the gold medal and made history for India. Okay, he she made history for India, and she won it on Indian's National Sport Day. Okay, and it is the determination of the Swapnil Burman that he uh, faced the never faced the uh, never faced the problem, fight with the problem and get the success. Okay, and next we can talking about the Vishesh Fogart. Vishesh Fogart was more than 4 kilogram above the required weight for her category when she landed in Jakarta. Okay, when she landed in Jakarta, but it is the not good for her, and she also less less her 4 kg. She had to lose 4 kilogram in 3 days to participate in the event. Okay, why? Because her weight for 4 kilogram above the requisite weight for uh, her category. Okay, so she participate in the event. Before the participating in event, she had lost 4 kilogram in 3 days, and she was on a liquid diet for 3 days. Okay, she she did not take the food and fast food, and in the 3 days she working hard work and work out in a non air conditional hall. Okay, and she also worked out in non air conditional hall, and also increasing sweating. Okay, she also increasing sweating, and also doubled her workout, a number of the training session. Okay, and she did lose 4 kilogram but was not at her peak during the competition. Okay, and she had event, and she was on liquid diet. They worked out in a non-air condition hall to increase sweating and doubled the number of training session. Okay, she lost 4 kilogram and was not at her peak, but she displayed immense mental state and won the gold medal. It means she won the gold medal. And how can she won the gold medal? She in a brilliant display on the mental strength. Okay, she showing her mental strength and get the gold medal in the final. Okay, she won many medal at other event, including a silver at the 2018 Asian Wrestling Championship in Kazakhstan and a gold at the 2018 Commonwealth game. And this is the achievements of the women of the sports, okay, in the sports. And we also know that there are many difficulties, that is it means all the three, it means Hima Das, Vishesh Phogat and Swapna Varman face many difficulties during the participate in the Commonwealth game and Asian game, but what they face the difficulties and get the success and won a medal for our country. Okay, so I hope you all understand about this chapter. And this if you want to short this answer of the question, then you write down in your own language. Okay, it is depend on at your decision. So I hope you all understand about the question of this chapter, and you also complete all the question answer in CW copy. I will send this PDF in your WhatsApp group. So thank you for the watching video. I will meet next in the video. So best of luck. Thank you for the watching video.